Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve a problem with receiving app notifications on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake up our watch by simply pressing this digital crown. Press again to go in the main menu and find this settings icon. Now check whether this Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, because it may be the problem. Now check if the silent mode is off. You can also check it right here by swiping up, and if it's disabled, then this button won't light up, and if it's on, they will light up blue, like this. Now let's go in the Mi Fitness app. Just open it on your phone, then go in Device tab and check if your watch is connected to the phone and to this app. And if it is, you will see this icon right here. Now choose App Notifications and check if you turned on notifications from the preferred apps. For example, Outlook, Twitter, and so on. If these advices didn't help, you can try to reset your watch. So take it and now tap this button and scroll down till you find settings. Then go there and scroll down again till you find this system tab. Click it and choose reset. And now confirm to erase all data to start the reset process. After your watch has been successfully reset, it will go back to old settings, which can help to solve a problem with receiving app notifications. And you need to reconnect it to the phone and to the app. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.